What is happiness? Is it really an inside job, or more reliant on what is going on outside of you? Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess Coach and Rapid Transformation Specialist, believes that you can generate happiness from within. Think about it. There are people who appear to have everything who are desperately unhappy, so there must be something more to it than looks, money, fame, success, and public adoration. By focusing on emotional resilience and understanding our emotions, we can cultivate more happiness in our daily lives. Join us this weekend for the Online Happiness Generator Workshop to explore techniques that foster inner joy. If you know the time for greater happiness is now. For further details, visit www.transformationstm.com. Click the red What's New button for an overview of current and future events. This online experiential workshop is based on the book Happy for No Reason by Marci Shimoff and is facilitated by Marilyn Devonish.